students, welcome to Industrial Fluid Power session. Today we are going to see about the hydraulic circuits. So in this hydraulic circuits, last class we see about a control of single acting cylinder, control of double acting cylinder, meter in circuits, meter of circuits. This session, this class, we are going to see about bleed of circuits. So this is the circuit for speed control of double acting cylinder. That is a bleed of circuit for speed control of double acting cylinder. So this is still another method of controlling the linear speed of piston of double acting cylinder. This is slightly different circuit than meter in and meter out circuit. So in this circuit, neither the inflow to the actuator nor the outflow from the actuator is controlled. Here in meter in circuit, the flow control valve is here, and meter out circuit, the flow control valve is in the uh, outlet of the flow valve. Okay, here the inlet of the actuator, outlet of the actuator. But instead of this, the pressurized fluid coming out of pump is diverted and bypassed to the oil reservoir in bleed of circuit. Okay, the pressurized fluid coming out from the pump, this is the pump, is directly going to the DC valve and to the actuator. But here after the pump, it is diverted from here, it is diverted and bypassed to the reservoir, oil reservoir. And in the diverter, there we have a flow control valve. So bleed off is a, here in initial itself we are have diverted the oil flow. In this circuit, the flow of control valve is placed in this bypass line. Okay, the flow of control line is placed in this bypass line. Let's see how it is happening. The pressurized oil, from the oil reservoir, it's coming from the pump. From the pump, after the pump itself, it is diverted to the oil reservoir, and the remaining oil will only flow through DC valve and to the actuator. And then this is the return line, it's coming out. And how it happened in the return stroke? Due to bypass arrangement, the speed of piston is given by difference between pump delivery flow and flow being bypassed to tank through flow control valve. Okay, so then from this we can find what is the speed of the piston. So the speed of the piston is calculated by how much is the delivery flow from the pump, and the difference between how much the delivery flow from the pump and how much is being bypassed. This difference is given as the speed of the piston. So if you want to control the speed of the piston, you have to control the flow variable here itself, so that the remaining flow only go to actuate the piston. So the oil is being bypassed immediately after the pump. Here, another English word for bypass flow is bleed off. Hence, this actuator is known as bleed off circuit. It is also called as bypass control circuit because we are bypassing the oil flow. Important. In this circuit, we can control the speed of position in advance stroke as well as return stroke. Yes, we can control in both the location. Now you are seeing the return stroke, how it happened. Okay, in return stroke also the oil flow from the pump, it goes to move the piston from left to right, and when same time when the oil is flowing from out of the pump, some flow is diverted to the reservoir tank. In this diverted here itself, there is a one flow control valve is there we can control the how much oil we have to send to the piston. Applications of bleed off circuit. This circuit is suitable when pressure is constant. This circuit is suitable when pressure is constant. Wherever the constant pressure application we need, that in that places this bleed off circuit is suitable. Then this circuit is used where precise speed control is not required. Okay, when where precise speed control is not required, it means wherever you are having a variable speed or an approximate speed, there we can use. But if you want a precise speed control, this is uh, not required. This circuit is used for control of broaching machine, and it is also used in hydraulic shaping machine. Okay. What are the advantages of bleed off circuit? In this circuit, there is no excess flow going through pressure relief valve and system. That is, in this circuit, there is no excess flow going through pressure relief valve and system. Heat generated due to throttling is fed to tank. Okay, here initial itself we are diverting. So during the throttling process, if the heat is generated in the flow, that is fed to the tank. What is the disadvantage of bleed off circuit? The circuit does not allow positive speed control, and speed adjustment is up to average value. This circuit is not suitable for accumulator circuit. If flow rate of pump fluctuates, the speed of actuator fluctuates. Yes, in the pump itself, if there is a fluctuate comes, the actuator also get fluctuates. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Next class we see the next hydraulic circuits.